Take a tour with us of Bill Luke's state-of-the-art maintenance and repair facilities. Altogether, our service and body facilities span over 200,000 square feet. Home of one of the largest service operations in the state, the ground floor has 76 service lifts, each capable of handling vehicles up to 30,000 pounds, and a full Hunter alignment system. From oil changes to complex diagnostics, each month our certified technicians service over 3,500 vehicles of all makes and models with precision, speed, and care. As we move upstairs, you'll enter our cutting-edge body shop. Each month, over 250 vehicles are restored here in-house by our skilled body technicians. With MIG and aluminum welding, 4 full-size paint booths, and eco-conscious waterborne paints, we bring vehicles back to life with craftsmanship and care, and reduce environmental impact while doing it. And beyond repairs, we offer on-site car rentals through Enterprise and even a full-service diner. Bill Luke has been proudly serving the Valley for almost 100 years, built on service, scale, and trust. With Arizona's largest selection of new and pre-owned vehicles, Bill Luke is your one-stop destination for everything automotive. From purchase to service and everything in between, we look forward to seeing you soon.